Today I'm going to explain about one of the examples it's a program, okay, related to programs related to switch statement, okay, switch statement, okay. So this is the simple one, but sometimes we are getting the confused, okay. Suppose the question is something like that. So when I press either small lowercase or the uppercase, okay, then it is going to display one of the option called Mero Sathi. Okay, it is going to display this thing. So when I press B or capital B, then it is going to say Mero Sathi, then Hamro Sathi. Some message is going to print. Okay. When I press C or capital C, okay, so it is going to print something called Sabhi Ko Sathi. Some message it is going to print. Okay, and then when I going to press D or capital D, okay, or capital D, then it is going to print what? It is going to print our friend, our Sati. So these are the options, okay. Instead of this, we will have some more options, like when I press A, it is going to display violator A or something like that. We can give any message, okay. So how to use these concepts in programming? So, okay, so it's this example is related to my switch statement in C programming, okay. So in C programming, how to use these concepts? So we have different choice. So this is called choice. Either we can press small lowercase a or uppercase a. It is going to display what? It is going to display Mero Sathi. Okay, some of the message. When I press B, it is going to display Hamro Sathi. When I press 3, then it is going to something. It's depend upon the our choices. Okay, so how to use this concept in our C program? So now I'm going to open one of the software related to the C programming. Okay, we have a software called Dev C++. Okay, so we have so many softwares are available in the market. You can use the Torpus C or so many softwares are there. Okay, so just I'm going to create one of the new project. Okay, just click on the file, then go to the new. Okay, then click on the source file. Okay, so here I have created one file. So now I'm going to save this file as a C programming. So now I can change the extension first. So by default this is a C++, so I have to change into C programming. So I'm telling them one of the examples related to, so I can give any name. Okay, it's up to you what name you want. So I'm telling examples are related to switch statement. Okay, like, okay, so our requirement is what? So when we start any program, we start with what? We start with library functions. So why we require the library function? Okay, without library function, we cannot run our programs. It means we require. Otherwise, we have to define manually these things. Okay. So this is my standard input output. Okay, and then we have a main program. So I am writing main program to execute or run our programs. Okay. So according to Kuchan, when we press once, okay. We know that these are the operators. Operator in the sense when I press A or capital A, so just I'm consider as a data type as a characters. Okay, if it is one or a number digit there, then we can select different data types. Right now I'm selecting this data type. If I consider as a user input value, just I'm writing the message enter your choice. You can write any message here. Okay, it's up to you, it's your requirement what you message you. So this is for the user, the user can easily understand. Okay, so now, so we have a character, just then we can change the format specifier as a percentage C. And which operators we have variables, we have op as a variables. Okay, so we know that the syntax of this statement, we have to pass the statement. Okay, any statement, variables or condition, whatever you have. Say here I'm just passing what? One of the variables which is already declared as a op is the variable. It may be any variables. So when I press A, okay, so A is my character, so we have to always give in a single quotations. Okay, when I press A, okay, so there is also, so when I press as well as when I press capital A, okay, it's uppercase in A. So in both case it is going to display one of the masses. Okay, so if this is the case, Okay, so it is going to display what? It is going to display one of the messages called Mero Sathi. It may be display anything depending upon the our requirements. So here I have written what? Mero Sathi. So it is going to display Mero Sathi as a message. Okay, and we have to terminate. Okay, so we can check now. Okay, what it is going to display first. So right now I'm just using the default statement. If no one condition is matched, then it is saying that so out of range. We can write any message out of range. No data is there. We can write any message for a user and understand. Okay. So finally, return is going to return some default value. Just I'm writing this one. Okay. So I'm trying to save this file by pressing Ctrl S. Then now I'm go to click on compile and runs. Okay, it is going to check. So when I press lowercase a or uppercase a, so it is going to display same message called Mero Sathi. Okay, this is fine. Similarly, I'm going to check. Okay, I'm using shortcut to run the program F11. Just I'm pressing a small a lowercase a, so it is also going to display same result. Means that is fine. Similarly, we can try for the some cases like when I press B. Okay, it is going to display something different message. Okay, similarly I'm trying for the capital B. Okay, if it is in uppercase also, so it is going to display some message like uh, Hamro Shathi. So we can check inside my notebook what is the when I press B, so it is going to display Hamro Shathi. Okay, so it is going to display one of the messages like Hamro Shathi. Okay, we can display anything. It's our requirement. Okay, just I'm actually I written according to my requirement. Okay, then it is going to break my statement. Okay, similarly I can try for the what case C. Okay, C in the lower case as well as the C in the uppercase. Okay, so uppercase is nothing but it's a capital letter, we can say uppercase is also. So when I press C, okay, so it is going to display what? It is going to display Sabhi ko Sathi. It's one of the messages, Sabhi ko Sathi. Okay, just it is going to display. Okay, then I'm going to just take the statement. Similarly, we have a what? Single quotation D. Okay, then case. Just I'm going to write you what? Sabhi ke Sathi. Similarly, we have our friends, our Sathi or our friend, depending on our requirements. So it's a what? It's a our Sathi is the message. Okay, just minimizing this one. Okay, just scrolling off. Okay, so just I'm writing what? Our Sathi, our Sathi. Okay, so it is going to display some message like our Sathi. Just closing this one. Okay, and close the bracket. Close the statement with the break statement. Okay, just I'm trying to run this program by pressing F11 as a keyboard. Okay, key. Just I'm pressing lowercase b. So it is going to display what? Hamro Sathi. We can check out verify our code. Yeah, when I press B or capital B, it is going to display Hamro Sathi. So let me try with a capital B. Yes, Hamro Sathi. It's fine. Suppose if I give the value out of range. Okay, so what is going to display? Suppose I'm going to press F. This is telling out of range. So this value is not in our context. Okay, we have only 4 options are there. If you want to add any number of options, we can add. In this way we can use the concept of we can use the concept of switch statement to display something this kind of result. Okay, thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel. My channel name is SNS Lab, and please leave your comment if you have any doubt. Thank you so much.